Hey, Rob Wells here with the Beaufort Regional Chamber of Commerce. This is National Travel and Tourism Week, and all week we're celebrating why travel matters in the United States. See, travel makes up about 1/5 of all jobs in Beaufort County. 20% of our workforce is based on the back of tourism. That's pretty impressive for an economy that's dependent upon $1.1 billion in visitor spending each year. So much so that tourism spending is so regarded as a high commodity. In the state of South Carolina, we fund our education system on the backs of it. What a great opportunity to showcase what all travel means, and we're doing it this week. Now, here's some of the opportunities that you have. We will be heading to the Hardeeville Welcome Center on May 7th with some other partners in the region, and we're going to visit all of the visitors who come through there. The Hardeeville Welcome Center makes up about 1.2 million visitors per year and is the fourth most visited welcome center in the country. Now, why is this all important? Well, it's very important. Travel matters so much to us locally, but to the United States. Here's what it means to us locally. If visitor spending was to disappear, we'd lose jobs, but at the same time, we would have to pay more of a tax burden. See, right now, travel and tourism help saves up about $711 per household. That's tourism working for you.